Hello kids. This is Teacher Insightful. First take a gap and subscribe. We will read action verbs in English. Let's get started. Look. Draw. Walk. Jump. Sing. Run. Swim. Dance. Paint. Cut. Earn. Eat. Keep. Learn. Listen. Smell. Open. Schneesche. Turn. Sleep. This is for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more videos. Bye bye.